Are you considering Drip Defender Pro to safeguard your home from water damage? Hold on, because what we uncovered might make you think twice before clicking that Buy Now button. At first glance, Drip Defender Pro looks like a game changer. It claims to offer advanced leak detection with remote monitoring via mobile app, support for up to 10 smart sensors, a powerful and adjustable 100 decibels alarm, a 24-month battery life, and rugged IP66 waterproof protection. Sounds impressive, right? But the real question is, can you trust it? When we started digging into the company behind this product, the red flags became hard to ignore. For starters, the website domain was only registered in 2024, which doesn't align with the image of a well-established and reliable brand. There's also no About Us page, no company background, and no physical address, nothing that gives you confidence in who's actually behind the product. And it doesn't stop there. The website claims that Drip Defender Pro has been featured on major news outlets like ABC, CBS, and NBC, but we couldn't find a single legitimate source to confirm those appearances. It looks like just another marketing tactic to build false trust. Speaking of tactics, the site bombards visitors with pressure-driven elements like countdown timers, only a few left in stock warnings, and time-sensitive discounts, all classic signs of a high-conversion scam strategy. Even the customer reviews on the website feel too good to be true, with no verifiable user profiles or external review links. We searched Trustpilot and other popular review platforms and found nothing. No reviews. No feedback. No discussions. For a product that's supposedly popular and in high demand, lack of public customer experience is highly suspicious. To be fair, the product does have features that, if real, could be very useful for homeowners. But the lack of transparency, the over-the-top marketing, and the absence of trusted third-party reviews all combine to make this product feel more like a risky gamble than a smart investment. If you're serious about protecting your home from leaks, it's worth considering alternatives from well-known brands with verified track records and clear customer feedback. Because while Drip Defender Pro sounds promising on the surface, when you peel back the layers, you're left with more questions than answers, and that's never a good sign when your money and home safety are on the line.